Good morning, everybody. Today discuss question number 7 of exercise 9.1. For 7 question is from a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of bottom and top of transmission tower mixed at the top of a 20-meter height building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of tower. So here draw a tower is BC. BC is the building and AV is the transmission. So angle, this is the bottom of transmission and this is the top of transmission. So bottom angle is 45 degree and top of angle is 60 degree and height given is 20 meter. Solution: let BC is building and AV the transmission of tower and D is any point on ground. Now in triangle BCD, take the ratio this side and this side. So BC upon CD, this ratio is 10 45 degree, because this is the opposite side of 45 degree and this is the adjacent side of 40 degree here. So this ratio is 10. Theta is 45 degree. Theta also called the represent the angle. So imply that what is BC? BC is 20 meter upon CD. What is the value of tan 45 degree? Tan 45 is 1. So imply that CD is equal to 20 meter. Again, in this triangle, complete triangle ACD, in triangle ACD, take ratio and complete this side and this side. So AC upon CD is equal to, this ratio is 10. Here angle is, complete angle is 60 degree. So this ratio is 10 60 degree. 10 60 degree. What is the value of AC? AC represent the AB plus BC. AC represent AB plus BC. BC. AB plus BC. What is the CD? CD is the 20 meter. So here put the value of CD is 20. What is the value of 10 60 degree? 10 60 degrees root 3. Here AC is equal to AB plus BC. So AB plus, what is the BC? BC is the 20 meter and given the value CD. What is the CD? We will find here CD. CD is 20 meter. So imply that, take the cross multiply. So this is AB plus, what is the BC? BC is 20 and this is 20 root 3. Imply that, what is AB? So AB is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. Imply that AB is equal to, take the common ratio is 20, sorry, common value is 20. So here root 3 minus 1. Again we will put the value of root 3. What is the root 3? Root 3 is 1.732. So here 20 bracket 1.732 minus 1, imply that 20 into, subtract here, so 0.732, multiply 4 6 14 and 0 also. 0 is 3 digit, so 1 2 3 point. So this is 14.64 meter. This is the height of transmission. Transmission tower. Here this is answer. Next question. Question number 8 is, a statue 1.6 meter tall stand on the top of pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of statue of 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. So here AB is the statue, the height is 1.6 meter, and BC is the pedestal. So given is angle here, top of statue is 60 degree, so here top of statue is 60 degree, so complete angle is 60 degree, and here top of the pedestal is 45 degree, so angle is, top of pedestal is B also called the, this point is bottom of statue, so this is 45 degree. Again in triangle, here let this value is X and this is H. So take the in triangle BCD. So here triangle BCD. So BCD, so ratio is BC upon CD. This is 10. This ratio called 10 45 degree, because this angle is 45, or opposite side to angle 45 and adjacent side to angle 45. So this is 1045. Here put the value. BC is H and CD is X. 1045 is 1, so H is equal to X. Again in triangle, here take complete triangle ACD. in triangle ACD. Take the ratio AC upon CD. So here AC upon CD, this is also 10, 10, 60 degree. So what is AC? We can represent AC is AB plus BC. So this is AB plus BC. What is CD? CD is X. So here put the value of X is equal to 1060 degrees root 3. Put the value of AB. So AB is equal to 1.6 meter given also. So put the value of AB, and BC also find. BC is H, and H equal X, both are equal. So here 1.6 plus H upon H is equal to root 3, imply that they cross multiplies 1.6 plus root H, this is H, equal to root 3 H, imply that 1.6 is equal to root 3 H minus H, imply that this is 1.6 is equal to, take the common LCM, sorry, common value is H, so this is root 3 minus 1 is equal to, so divide the value of root 3 minus 1 here, so 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1 is equal to H. Rationalize the denominator, so 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1, rationalizing here, so value is 1.6 bracket root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 is equal to H, this is H, so complete value, this is 2, so 1.6 upon 2 bracket root 3 plus 1 is equal to H, imply that H is equal to, we will divide 2, so this is 0.8 root 3 plus 1. If again further solve this value, so put the value of root 3 and add the value plus 1, multiply the 0.8, so find the height of transmission tower, sorry, height of statue. Here height of statue, not height of statue, this is the pedestal height, height of pedestal. Here this is the height of pedestal, so this is the height of pedestal, this is answer, and this value is in meter. Question is ninth question. The angle of elevation of the top of building from the foot of tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 degree, 50 meter high, not 50 degree, 50 meter high, find the height of the building. So here let CD is a tower and AB is the building. So according to the question, here top of the building from the foot of the tower, top of the building or foot of the tower, angle is 30 degree, so angle is 30 degree, and top of the tower and foot of the building, angle is 60 degree, so angle is 60 degree. in triangle ABD, a small triangle ABD. Take the ratio AB upon BD is tan 30 degree. What is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So here h is equal to h by root 3, x by root 3, and multiply here root 3. So x is equal to h root 3. In triangle ACDB, triangle CDB, this triangle, take the ratio CD upon BD. So CD upon BD is 60 degree, tan 60 degree. So what is the value of CD? CD is the 50 meter and BD is x, tan 60 degrees root 3. So imply that 50 meter is equal to x root 3. What is the value of x? X is h root 3. So put the value here. So imply that 50 is equal to x is h root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So imply that 50 is equal to 3h. So imply that 50 upon 3 is equal to h. So h is equal to 50 upon 3. If we divide the value here, so h is equal to 3 1 3 and carry is 2. So 20, 3 6 are 20, remainder is 2. So 2 upon 3 meter. This is answer. Next question is 10th question here. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite each other and either the side of road which is 80 meter wide. Width of the road from a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. So here 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles, the distance of the point from the pole. So height is same height, so let the height is h. In triangle ABO, this point is so. In triangle ABO, take the ratio here AB upon BO. AB upon BO is equal to tan 30 degree. So this is tan 30 degree. Imply that AB is h and BU is equal to tan is 1 upon root 3. So h is equal to BU root 3. Next triangle, in this triangle, in triangle CDO, so take the ratio is CD upon OD. CD upon OD is equal to, this is tan 60 degree. This is CD. What is CD? CD is h or upon OD is equal to tan 60 is root 3. So h is equal to OD root 3. Add Adding, let this equation is first and this is second. Adding equation first and second. So 2h is equal to bu root 3 plus od root 3. Common root 3, so this is bu plus du. So bu plus od is, this is total length bd, or bd is 80 meter. So put here value root 3 into 80, this is 2h. So h is equal to, divide by 2, so this is 40 root 3 meter. And find the value of OB and OD. So here now here h is equal to root 3 OD. So OD is equal to h upon root 3. So what is h? H is 40 root 3 upon root 3. So this is cancel out, this is 40. And B OB is equal to h root 3. So this is also 40 meter. Answer. Thank you.